Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Little Nightmares 3 game crashing, not working, not launching, lagging, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So the first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates option. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Little Nightmares 2 update. So for that, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game releases some patches to deal with these kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for an update option. Next solution is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue as it can occur due to temporary glitches. For that, open settings, then system, then click on storage option. Now highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache and lastly confirm it by pressing yes. Next solution is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage option. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs and game to create some space. Next solution is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and choose clear persistent storage. After this, check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open the guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to reinstall Little Nightmares 3 game. For that, open Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select Little Nightmares 3 game, then press menu button. After that, select uninstall option. After the game is removed, now open Little Nightmares 3 official website and download the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue are coming across. You can also raise a ticket to let them know about the issue and they will better guide you what to do and will resolve the issue from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.